Welcome to the audio series for Triquetre Piano Programme, Level 1, Musicianship Skills. You can download this worksheet from www.musicacademyhub.com, or you will have received your worksheet from a Triquetre approved tutor. This audio file is for TQP, L1, M79, D. The ice cream intervals, learning about sound. Listen to the following intervals and use your crayons or felt tip pens to draw the number of scoops of ice cream for the interval that you hear. Question 1. Draw scoops of chocolate ice cream. Question 2. Draw scoops of strawberry ice cream. And question 3. Draw scoops of blueberry ice cream. You have reached the end of the audio file to go with worksheet TQP, L1, M79D. Please complete the worksheet and send to your tutor. If you would like your answers to be verified by a Triquetre approved tutor, please send to info@staleybridgemusicacademy.com, marking the subject line with the worksheet number TQP, L1, M79D. This is the end of the audio file.